Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to use Laravel Reverb for real-time broadcasting. We will explore how to add Laravel Reverb to our project and dive into implementing public, private, and presence channel effectively. Whether you are building a chat app, real-time notification, or user tracking features, this tutorial will help you cover these things. So let's start. So first of all, what you have to do is you just simple have to create a new Laravel project, and for this I'll just simple go to my Laravel projects directory where my Laravel projects are, and I'll just simple create here a new folder, and I'll just simple name this as Reverb Explained. Okay, that's it. So just simple close this, and I'll just simple open this folder in my Visual Studio Code. So here is my folder with them that we created Reverb Explain. Just simple open this, and so what I do in it, I'll just simple create a new Laravel project using this command, Laravel new Reverb. I'll name my project as Reverb. So you can name your project any if you want. And here it will ask me to if you want to add any starter kit or breeze. So I'll just simple add in my project breeze, and I'll just simple use init blade. That's it. And I'll just don't need any dark mode. Okay, that's it. And also don't initialize any git repo. So now my project will set up in 2 or 3 minutes. And in here I'll just simple enter yes. So our database migrations are also created. Okay, so that's great. My project is successfully set up. Okay, so I'll just simple come to my project using this command. Okay, so first of all, what we have to do is I'll just simple. So first of all, what I have to do is I'll just simple set up my database as we work with private channels. So I need this. Okay, so I'll just simple uncomment out this. And in my database name, I'll just simple pass init reverb. Okay, and my database connection is MySQL. Okay, that's it. And I'll just simple copy this database name reverb, and I'll just and I'll just simple go to config database.php. Also we can set here MySQL as I'm using MySQL. Okay, that's it. So now I'll just simple open my browser, and it is my localhost XAMPP, and I'll just simple create a new database and name this as Reverb. Okay, that's it. And I'll just simple use this command here to run our migration php artisan migrate. So my all tables are set up in database. I will show you here. Okay, that's great, amazing. So now this is the time to install the Laravel Reverb in our project. And for this I'll just simple go to my browser, and I'll just simple search here Laravel Reverb. Okay, just open second side, Laravel documentation side. Okay, and here you can see for installing Laravel Reverb in our project, we just simple use this command. Just simple copy this and paste in it our project for installing Laravel broadcasting. Okay, so it will ask me to install Laravel Reverb. I'll just simply put here yes. Okay, it will take less than 1 minute. So that's it, and it ask me for adding node dependency, so I'll just simply pass it yes. Okay, that's it. So now we successfully add the modules of Reverb in our project, and for running the project and application credentials are added in our ENP. I'll just simply show you here. And this is the Laravel Reverb app IDE secrets, same like pusher. So it's successfully added in our ENV file. So just simply close this and also show here our broadcast file resources JS, yeah, app.js, app, eco.js, all the files are successfully added. Okay, that's it. So now what I have to do is I'll just simply start Laravel web server, and for starting this we just simply use this command php artisan reverb start, and for debugging purpose we just simply pass in it flag slash debug like this. Okay, so for now I'll just simply start it. So it successfully started my Laravel Reverb. Okay, that's it. And now I'll just simple also start my come to project and also start my server. That's it. Simple open it, and we just also need to start npm run dev. And so go ahead. So on register page. So now that's it. We set up all the things. So now it's a time to work with Laravel Reverb, and we see what is private channel and what is public channel and what is presence channels in broadcasting. Okay, so for this I'll just simple create a event, and I'll just simply name this event as example. Okay, and I'll just go to events, and here you can see my example event is successfully created, and I'll just simply use this word implements should broadcast. And we also this just simple copy this and paste it here. Just simple copy this and paste it here. So I'll just simple for now working with public channels. For this I'll just simply pass the make the variable here. That's it. Just simply return new channel. When we are working public channels, we just simply use this word channel. Okay, and this chat, and that's it. And just simple this away from here. Okay, left this and that's it. So now what you have to do is we just simple trigger this event in web.php and initialize in it channels.php. Okay, so I'll just simple go to routes, and here is my channel.php. Okay, and in here we just simple use this thing. I'll just simple copy this and paste it here and broadcast channel, and we are broadcasting on chat, and in the function we are not passing anything for now, and just simple close this. Okay, we just simple broadcast this channel chat, that is this. Okay, that's it. So we just simple now trigger this in web.php, and for triggering the event I'll just simply use this route get slash broadcast function, and broadcast our event name. That's it. So this and simply put this also here. So use example. So this is how you can trigger the public channels in Laravel Reverb or any channels. Okay, so I'll just simple go to browser and duplicate it, and I'll just simple inspect it and console, and I'll just simple go to network tab, and I'll just simple pass the route here, broadcast. Okay, so when I'll broadcast, it will say pass trigger the our broadcast and send the message, and its status is okay. So mean our broadcast message is triggered. Okay, so now we just simple have to show this message. Okay, for this we just simple show this in here register page for now, and for showing this I'll just simple go to views, and it is my auth, and here is my register page. Okay, so I'll just simple show this message on console for now, and for showing this I'll just simple use this div x init echo. So our channel name is chat dot listen. Simple console this, and also okay, that's it. So this just simply show our message in console. So I'll just simple go to browser and reload it, and I'll just simple go to inspect and go to console, just simple this. Okay, so now when I'll trigger the broadcast, it will show me in the console of Laravel in real time. Okay, so here it show me the message in real time. Okay, so I just again send the message hello. It will show me in the real time without reloading the page. So this is how public channels work. Okay, so this is the basic example. So you can use this public channel announcement if you want in any project, like notification that you send to journal all the users or all the journal message. Okay, so that's it for the public channels. I hope you get the point of how public channels and where public channels we use. Okay, so that's it. So now we are now working with the private channels. Okay, for this I'll just
So
simple
now we have to just simple work with private channels. Okay, so I'll just simple go here, and here I'll just simple update this like public dollar message, and just simple copy this and paste it here again, and in it I'll just simple pass this user ID. Okay, that's it. And I'll just simple pass this in constructor message and dollar user ID. That's it. And here I'll just simple dollar user ID. Okay, that's it. So in it I'll just simple use this private channel, and on chat dot dollar this user ID. Okay, that's it. And I'll also remove this array from here. Okay, so that's it. And we just now remove this also, just this. Okay, return private channel on chat dot user ID, and I'll just simple go to channel dot php, and also we have to update this I'll just simply use here chat dot user ID and then function $user $user ID. Okay, that's it. And in it, I'll just simply use this return int $user ID and then int $user ID. Okay. So that's it for broadcasting the channel on user ID. And now we just simple trigger this. So I'll just simple update this a bit. So basically in the parameter of this event, we have message and ID of user. So I'll just simple pass this hello message, and in the ID I'll just simple pass this 2, or I'll just simple pass here ID 3. Okay. So this message is only received by this user that have ID 3. Okay. So I will show you how this work. So first of all, we have to just simple for showing this message. I'll just simple go to browser and I'll just simple register with a user with my email for now. So you can register here with any email you want. Okay. So I'll just simple register it. So user registered successfully and it bring me to dashboard page. So here I will show the message on this dashboard console because our private channel require authentication, and private channels are basically used by authentication, and we use it when we send the message to some specific person or user. Okay. So now for this I'll just simple go to my dashboard, and here I'll just simple write the script for showing this message tip. So this is how simply we just simple show our private message to some specific user, private user. So let me show you how this works. So I'll just simple go to browser here and reload it, and I'll just simple go to inspect console and just simple reload it. Okay. Also I'll just simple duplicate it to broadcast our message. So I'll just simple use here uh, broadcast and inspect it also. I'll just simple go to console and it is I'll just simple go to network tab and I'll just simple reload it, and it will broadcast the message our status is 200. Okay. And here you can see broadcast auth forbidden. I'll just simple reload it, and showing me this forbidden. So I'll just I think do some mistake in it. So here we have passed these brackets. Okay, so I'll just simple save this and go to browser, and now my error is gone. Okay, so now I'll just simple broadcast it again, and now it don't show me the error. So basically, let me show you how this works. So our register user is ID is, so my register user ID is 5. Okay, and here in my web.php I am passing this to 3. So I don't have user that have 3 ID, so I'll just simple change it to 5, and now I'll just simple broadcast the message, and here you can see I'll receive the message instantly in real time. Okay, so this is how private messages and private channels work in that scenarios. Okay, so I'll just simple now reload it again, and I'll just simple receive my message again. So here when I have multiple users, okay, and I'll just simple show some notification to some specific person in real time. So I will use these private channels to show some notification and some email verification and like in any private scenario. Okay, so this is the concept idea of how private channels work. So now we just simple move forward to our last channels that are presence channels. So let's get started. So I'll just simple go to my example.php, and here what we have to do is I'll just simple remove this user ID and also remove this user ID from here. Oh, sorry, user ID from here, and just simple you remove this. Okay, and in it I'll just simple use here pre presence channel, and it is just this. I'll just simple use this here chat room. Okay, so that's it, and now I'll just simple go to my channels.php, and here I'll just simple use here chat room, and in the function I'll just simple pass $user, and here in this I'll just simple pass here ID, and then $user ID, and then name of user, and here I'll just simple use here $user name. Okay, so that's it. So if you want the user email and any other info, you can pass this in channel. Okay, but for now this is okay. So now what we have to do is we just simple go to web.php, and here I'll just simple now I have just one parameter in my event function, so I'll just simple use here hello from chat room. Okay, that's it. And so when any user come to chat room, it send this message. Okay, so now we just simple have to show this, and I'll just simple go here. I'll just simple show the chat room here on this page. So now I'll just simple start writing code for showing this. So that's it for viewing the presence of users on view. So I'll just simple go to browser and just reload it, and here you can see it show me the user that is login now and on this page. Okay, so now I'll just simple trigger the event from here, and it show me hello from room chat room. Okay, so this is how presence channels work. Okay, so we use these presence channels like private but with real-time user tracking. Okay, like tracking system, and in the real-time chat application when user is typing we use this. Okay, so now I will show you one thing. I'll just simple copy this and go to my another browser and just simple use this route here, register, and I'll just simple register with another user with name unity@gmail.com and password. Okay, so I will show you in real time. It show me the online user that are online now. So when this user come to another page like profile page, it instantly remove this user from here, from the chat room. Okay, so this is how private channels, public channel, and presence channels work. Okay, so in the next video, I will show you how we can create a real-time applications using Laravel Reverb, and how we can use this to real-time notification in different scenarios. Okay, so that's it. You learned how to use Laravel Reverb to implement public, private, and presence channels for real-time broadcasting. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. Okay, see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.